Hey guys, so I know you guys have been asking for a tour of my makeup and skincare stuff, so I thought I would do it really quick since I'm kind of in the process of doing the Walmart challenge, so definitely stay tuned. So I have my countertops cleaned off, but I'm going to show you where I keep a lot of my stuff. I've got a big drawer, and I pretty much jam as much into it as I possibly can because it takes up less counter space if I kind of jam it all in here. And then I also have pretty much this entire cabinet, with the exception of this. This is where the clean towels go, and they're all in the wash right now. Hair stuff usually goes up here, and then more makeup essences, stand-up bottles go in here. So I've got that pretty much full if I had clean towels. So, and then follow me into my room, and I'm going to give you the grand tour of that. And just remember that I'm still working on organizing it. I'm not the best at it, but I've got all these Sephora Favorites boxes, and a couple of these are like subscription boxes. And most of those are full of like sample size products or products I got in subscription boxes that I just haven't gotten to trying yet or organizing yet. So all of these are all full, and I've got more here. These are all full as well, and I'm working on emptying them out. And then I also kind of started to get a bin organization for products that either I'm not using at the time, or backup products, or products that I'm thinking about maybe gifting to people, friends and family and things like that. So these are all full, or things I tried and I just wasn't a huge fan of. So I don't know. Recently I combined U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, and this guy is getting fuller now, but I've got a lot of products in there. I try and keep these a little bit better organized, but I've just been recently kind of filing them. So anyway, so these are all pretty full. N, I just recently separated N and M, but most of this in here I would say is Neutrogena or number 7. I've got a few Neogen things in there, but anyway, so that's getting pretty full. C, I just recently separated that because I've got a lot of Clinique and CeraVe products and Cosrx. Coola too. K and L, that's going to need to be separated soon. Well, I've got a little bit of room back there. I don't know. I could probably sneak a few more things in there, but I've got like 3 of these. And actually, I really like it. So, I don't know. But it's so expensive. I got them all in subscription boxes. So, I don't know. I've got some Kopari, a lot of Kiehl's, Claire's, things like that. Anyway, A and B is starting to get kind of full as well. Bioderma, Ahava Bliss, Avene, lots of good stuff. Becca, I don't know, they're all kind of... So this is E and F, which I think you guys will know what's in here. A lot of First Aid Beauty backups, some Pharmacy, Elf, I don't know, Formula 1006, 10-0, whatever. Elemis, I don't know, a lot of good stuff in there. In here I keep all my nail polishes, which I've got a lot of... 2 main brands, ILNP and Cupcake Polish. So I've got all that kind of... It was organized by brand, and then, I don't know, I was looking for a good color, and I don't know. It's kind of disorganized now. In here I keep some just makeup. In this I like to keep any, like, eyelash products I have in the top drawer so I can find them. But if you're interested, Revitalash or Revitabrow, that's the one you want. Rapid Lash, it's okay. But Revitalash, Revitabrow, any kind of eyeshadow loose products I have, I tend to keep in here. I've got about 80 of these that I got in subscription boxes. These are samples, foils, masks that I have. Over in this part, I try and keep current products that I'm trying, that I just got recently, kind of right in this area, still in the box. And then over here I have my empties. I'm working on doing some supplement videos, so we'll check those out. And then the bin, I've got boxes, empties, and receipts. So, and then in here I've got more foils because I'm running out of room for that, as you can see. What else? Up here, these are all empty boxes of products I'm trying. Up here, these are makeup cases, of which I don't really have a use for so many makeup cases, but anyway, they're up there. Let's see. Yeah, some more empty boxes. Down here, I've got all my makeup palettes. And then leggings. My file of leggings. Black leggings. Empty boxes. Let me clean up the shoes. I just didn't have any room for them. Oh, let me show you my lipstick drawer really quick. Hang on. These are all my lips. Well, not all of them, but lipsticks I'm currently not using because you can't use 800 lipsticks at the same time are all in here. I've got a lot of them, and these are just ones I don't know what to do with exactly, but micro needle rollers. I don't know. I need to find a better drawer for them. I've got a couple like caboodle sets that I use just for like, I don't know, makeup stuff that I'm not using. This is right in here. This is all the stuff that was on my bathroom countertop that I moved because I'm going to try and simplify my life with doing the Walmart $100 challenge for a week. So I moved everything off the countertop, and I'm going to be putting in about 14 items I'm going to use only for a week. So this was on the countertop, and then there's a few more things right here. Oh, this is my box for my friend Carrie, which I finally got the last couple things I wanted to send her. So that'll be coming in the mail soon. Let's see. And then this is kind of where I started originally when I just had some makeup stuff, but not a ton. These are all empty boxes, which I need to organize. I just hate throwing away all the boxes because I feel like, I don't know, maybe if I review that same thing, I'll want the box to check the ingredients. So anyway, so down here, these are all products that I haven't used yet or are just storing. Foundations, I like to keep them all together just based on what day it is. And then just backup products, foundations, a lot of First Aid Beauty, Paula's Choice, good stuff. This is just mostly open products that I've tried or am using and just needed a good place to put it. Anyway, let's see. Most of these these are just like sample sizes or sunscreens and things based on the day or what I'm doing, reviewing for the day. So got a lot of that. More sample sizes, spare brushes back there. Hair stuff. I'm not huge into the hair stuff. I've got a lot of it, but I don't know. I mostly use like the same 3 things every day, so most of these haven't been touched or ever used and might never be used. Let's see. More makeup stuff, skincare backups. This is where I keep extra lipsticks and mascaras. So I've got, most of these are new, and a few brow things, but I like to know where my mascaras are because you just never know what the day is going to bring and what mascara you might want to use that day. Waterproof, not waterproof, colored, I don't know. More backup skincare stuff. Lots of it. And then in here, I don't know, self-tanning stuff. I don't know, I've experimented with it and I think pale is okay for me. I don't know, tanning stuff's too high maintenance. And then in here are little empty boxes. And a couple things that I just haven't used yet that I didn't want to get rid of yet, and more empty boxes. Little boxes. Anyway, I think that's about it. Yeah. Anyway, eyeshadow palettes, boxes, everything. I don't know if you have any organization suggestions. Definitely let me know because I'm always looking out for that because I don't know. I think I have it much more organized than it was like 6 months ago. But still, sometimes I'm looking for one thing. I don't know where it is. Because if it's alphabetical, it could be in the box. But if it's not in the box, then was it a sample size? Is it in one of these 80 boxes? Is it in one of the boxes to be reviewed? Or is it in the file? I don't know. But anyway, that was my quick tour. So I hope you guys liked it. Definitely check out nobsbeauty.com. And if you have organization suggestions, definitely let me know that too. So thank you guys so much.